Deepak Chopra later saying that we said that elementary particles have memory. Your friend. Anyway, here's another question related to a confusion that may have come about by a statement like this memory statement from Alexa. Is the ether real? I've heard it is not. However, now I'm confused if it could be. And so, I mean, it goes on, but basically, you might want to elaborate.
It's very real. It's the...
But not in the sense that it was originally... Let's be clear.
Well,
not in the sense that it was originally intended. Some universal background frame in which you could tell your motion by moving with respect to and things like that.
Well, the ether does not obey the laws of what is called Galilean Newtonian relativity. It obeys the laws of Einstein-Lorentz relativity. But it's really the same other than that. It's
except
it's a space-filling dynamical medium that I think it's the same idea as Maxwell was trying to build models. It's just the mechanics that governs those models has to have the modifications that special relativity.
So the modern version of what they were saying in the old days, they said light needed some medium to travel in because it's a wave, and waves need some medium. In some sense, one would say light are quantum excitations about some medium, which is empty space.
The electromagnetic,
which is
your electric and magnetic fields. I would say the modern version of the ether is the more abstract version that Maxwell eventually adopted, which is to say, it's a medium made of electric and magnetic dynamical entities we call fields that can fluctuate and support values and support oscillations and so forth. So it's important. I think it's really Einstein. He's a great man, but he really introduced a lot of confusion here. He did not. The basis of special relativity was not overthrowing Maxwell's ether.
Yeah.
In fact, it was based on Maxwell's equations, nothing else. So I wouldn't say it was overthrowing the ether. It was refining the notion of what the ether had to be.
Yeah, but
just like your thing about nothing. It's not that you're. Well, I don't know why.
So every now and then, me and Einstein confuse people.
Yes,
but it's okay. But I think the key point to stress for people is what isn't true is that there's an absolute rest frame in the universe that that was what was sort of the Michelson-Morley experiment, which discounted that there was that we were all moving, that there was something physical that we were moving.
I think people thought they knew things about the ether, which in fact are false.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean there's no ether. It means that they had false beliefs about the ether.
It just means it's something different than what people thought before, like nothing.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Right.
I would claim. Here's a question, which is actually a fascinating question, and I'll let you answer it.